Welcome to Community ArtsKitchen.
In this lesson, I will teach you how to make a simple kaleidoscope with very, very simple materials. You're going to need markers, a ruler or a popsicle stick, some masking tape, and this is mylar foil. And in my resources, I have the website where you can order this. You can order this in a roll and then cut it to the size. And you're going to need some white tissue paper as well. This kaleidoscope lesson is an extension lesson of my previously shared lesson titled Exploration Redirecting Light. How does a kaleidoscope work? Well, a kaleidoscope's beautiful forms and designs are created by two or more mirrors or reflective surfaces like this mylar, positioned at an angle to each other, usually forming a V shape or a triangle. So we will be folding this mylar into a triangle. And then what you will see when you look through this eye hole will amaze you. Okay, here are the directions. You're going to direct your students to fold your mylar in half first. So you're going to have the short side of the rectangle facing you, and you're going to make a nice crease. I taught my first graders to either use the sides of a ruler or also a popsicle stick held like this could work really well to make nice creases. Then you're going to open up the mylar again so you see the center crease. Next fold is the lower half up to the center fold. Again, you can use a device to make a really sharp crease, and then turn the unit around and repeat on the other side. Just like so. And maybe use the edge of your thumbnail. We want the creases to be really nice and crisp. Now we have four equal parts on our mylar. Next step is to fold this into a triangular prism like this, and then tape it secure with some masking tape. And some colorful masking tape is really fun to use. And I'm just taping this like so together. This is already a working kaleidoscope now with having nothing on the other side. So what I do with students is you can actually put your hand there and look through the kaleidoscope with one eye. Once students have taped their kaleidoscope triangular prism together like this, I direct them to explore first with nothing on the other side, and they can practice holding one eye close to the kaleidoscope and the other eye closed, and that takes a little bit of practice for first graders. And the kaleidoscope actually has to come really close to your eyeball so you can see it. So I'm going to do that here on the camera. And it's really fun for students to walk around the classroom and explore holding the kaleidoscope against different areas in the classroom, against a poster. They can look at the markers. I'm going to try to bring in my shirt sleeve here and look at this. It's really fun. And then they can go back to their tables and start working on a little slide to put on the end of the kaleidoscope. A slide can be created with a piece of tissue paper, and here is where you can talk about the science words or science connection of transparent and translucent. So we want a piece of paper that's translucent that lets the light shine through, so it's a little bit see-through. Transparent would be something that's completely see-through and the light comes through transparent. I ask students to draw a design in the middle of the paper, of the tissue paper, with markers. And FYI, you might want to have a piece of paper underneath it. As you can see, it sometimes bleeds through, and you don't want that on your art tables. Again, students need to not worry about what the design is. It's just about shapes and colors, and it should be in the center. After they have completed this step, they can just hold their design to the end of the kaleidoscope and bring it up to the camera and look through that way. And they can see how it's reflecting. It works really well when they're finished and tape their design, kind of fold the design around the edges of the triangular prism and tape it secure. And then now watch this. This is so fantastic. The amazing designs that you can create with these simple materials. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Community Arts Kitchen was created and developed by Barbara Libby Steinman and Anna Rochester. See you next time.